I got myself this 5-in-1 wand curling iron set. Imagine one tool with the ability to give you various style choices. I just had to get it. It has 5 changeable barrels which are super easy to attach and detach. This is the 1-inch 3-barrel waver. This gives you that kind of crimped beach wave look. This is the 1.5-inch curling iron, and this gives you a slightly big curl. This one is the 1-inch curling iron, and this one is a really fine curl. This one is the 0.7 to 1.25 tapered wand. And then there is the 0.35 to the 0.75 tapered wand. There is also a heat-resistant glove, 2 applicator clips, and lastly the high-quality insulated storage bag, which is my favorite because I can pack everything up when I'm finished, making it perfect for traveling.